Hello and welcome back to this series of videos on getting started with faiths. Today we'll be taking a look at the Norns system. So first things first, we see here Norns uses these three encoders, E1, E2, and E3. It doesn't use the fourth one. This is for ORAC only. And it uses the three buttons. Gnome documentation calls them K1, K2, and K3. You will normally use E2 to navigate the lists, to scroll the lists. K3 to select, K2 to go back, and the main menu is comprised of 4 sections. You can see here the indicator going through them. So you navigate this menu with encoder 1. The first section is for controlling levels. You can see here we can control the out level with encoder 2 and the in level with encoder 3. You'll see Norns kind of makes these a little bit exchangeable on what they do. For example, here you navigate through the different lines with K3 and K2. This doesn't happen on the scripts, but unless you program it like that, unless the developer of the script programs something like that, but you'll get the hang of it. So the second part of the menu is for recording. This is a very handy. Here you can record whatever you're playing. You assign a file name, okay, then start, and you're now recording everything that you're doing. And then you can access it later through play. You'll see a list and you can navigate through that. And this is like the main menu where you select and you run scripts, and you can do some system changes. And the fourth section is the parameters, which is a mix of global parameters for the whole device and also for the current script you're running. So let's go back here and select a script. So like we said, you can navigate with E2. There's this handy new feature where you can select or deselect your favorites with encoder 3. So for example, we come here and we assign awake to our favorites. So we go back to refresh and you can see it here, awake, right? If you want to assign another one, do the same. When you go back, here you have them. So let's go, and awake is a good test. The first time you select the script, the first press you do, you'll see the documentation, which you can scroll with E2. You press again and you access the script. I already have some stereo speakers hooked up. This is a good opportunity to go to our level menu. You can go back and forth scripts with K1. If for some reason it doesn't work, it's because some scripts use K1 as a function. So for example, here, if you press it long enough, you can see there some parameters popped up, and you just have to press it twice or fast. And So next, let's explore the system. You saw select, we access the scripts, and in system, the first one is for devices. Since you can have multiple devices of each kind, you have slots. So you can later in the script's parameters, you can choose what device you want to output MIDI to, for example. So this is so you can choose. Then Wi-Fi, you want to do that right away. You can see here I'm already connected, but if this is the first time, then you add your SSID. Once you add it, you enter the password. You press OK. It'll take a little bit, and then you will be connected. If not, go into connect, which are the ones that you already registered, and choose one and select it, right? You can later see what IP you're in, what IP you got assigned, and this is important because this is how you're gonna access Maiden, the script administration. You can access in a web browser. And lastly, you have your reset possibility and updating. So you want to update, and you just click select. And that's it for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.